Hello, how are you? I hope you're okay. I feel like that is how I normally start my videos, which is totally fine. So today I'm all about doing my nails at home. And what I would like to know is, do you prefer doing your nails at home or do you prefer going to the nail parlors? For me, it's not like I prefer, but I think I normally have some time that I could spare and do my nails at home. I know there are people who don't have that time because they are like totally busy. But for me, I think I could always spare some time instead of using my money. Pesa. Anyway, so let's get started. This is how I do my nails at home, but it's only for my feet. For my hands, I prefer someone doing them for me because I mess up big time, all the time. But for the feet, I can manage. Let's do this.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive.
So normally what I will do is that I'll start by cutting these nails because I don't like how long they are. They're not that long, but I'm not the type of a person who keeps long nails. Look at this one. It normally stays up. It doesn't want to stay like the other ones. So then from there, I don't feel comfortable in this position. Maybe I'll just sit on the floor. Then I will go on and file them. I have tried looking for my buffer. Hata sijui kwenye iko. Now that I'm done cutting and filing them, I will soak them in warm water and continue from there. It's too hot, but no. Okay. Acha niwache ujinga. Sio rahisi. What I like to do is I leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes and get my feet well soaked. My soaking time is up. Now I'll just dry up my legs and work on the dead skin, work on removing all the dead skin. I mostly concentrate on the heels because normally they are the roughest. So I scrub kabisa. Imagine all this is dead skin. I will dip my feet again in the water to finalize on scrubbing these parts, concentrating on the heels once more, but now this time while in the water. I have been having this brush for the longest time ever. This brush, it's more than 3 years old. Actually, it's 5 years old. I bought it from, what did I buy it from? I bought it from Best Lady long time ago. Actually, I think it came with this. Did I buy it without second? I can't remember, but I bought it from Best Lady. That's what I remember. Ile Best Lady huko Riverbank. Very long. Now just to leave my heels soft, I will go in with this, what is it called? Marwe. I will now go ahead and use the apricot scrub. This is the Eden apricot scrub. will just rinse my feet. Let me tell you something. Today I am such a happy soul. So finally I got this new Luron nail care that doubles up as a base and a top coat. Usually what I do, I have a nail polish that is in nude and another one that is clear. So I use the nude one as a base and the clear one as a top coat. But now this new one, it does the two jobs. Yeah, it's a 2-in-1. How cute is that? I like this one. Or do I really think? Maybe I will go with this one. 2 coats of this. I don't want to keep repeating, otherwise it will form bumps, which I'm trying to avoid so much. This thingy, kuna kidole hapa, kuna kucha. I told you, third world problems. But you know what? Kuna mtu ana hii kidole, so I thank God. The toothpick, some cotton to remove the excess as we wait to go in with the second coat. Going in with the second coat and we are almost done. Just chill, just chill. You see, I wasn't lying when I told you to just chill, to just wait, that we are about to finish. Now, this is the last step, and I am using this new Luron nail care that doubles up as a top coat and as a base. And if you have watched this video this far, I am definitely sure that you saw me using it as a base. And now I'm using it as a top coat because I want to leave my nails looking good, looking fresh, looking shiny, looking all those good things. By the way, if you normally do your nails at home, this is something that I would definitely recommend 100%. I am now done and my feet are good to go. The nail polish will last me at least 2 weeks from now. Yeah, that will be it for today. So I will see you next time. Goodbye.